Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your LinkedIn presence more visible when checking out other profiles, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest update on how to show your LinkedIn information when viewing a profile on your PC. This quick step-by-step guide will help you stand out and make meaningful connections on LinkedIn. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn from your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath it. Click on the Me icon to access your personal menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences and privacy controls. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different categories. Find and click on Visibility. This section is all about controlling who can see your activity and information on LinkedIn. Now, look for the option called Profile Viewing Options. Click on it to open up your viewing preferences. Here, LinkedIn gives you a few choices about what others see when you view their profiles. To make your presence known, select your name and headline. This means when you visit someone's profile, they'll see your full name and your professional headline, making it easier for them to recognize you and potentially connect. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've updated your settings to show your LinkedIn information whenever you view someone's profile. This small change can make a big difference in how you network and grow your professional relationships. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of LinkedIn and other social platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.